everyone, so I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's a rose gold, red, pinks Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. Now I did do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial like a while ago, and I think I did it with Jessica Valdez. I think that was my last Valentine's Day look, so I definitely wanted to do another one. It's a very dramatic, very full coverage, like ready, like she's ready, like take her swimming on the first date ready, like she's ready. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think it was so cute, and I totally did not know what I was going to do. Like I knew I wanted reds, I knew I wanted pinks, and I knew I wanted to use this Naked Cosmetics Rose Gold Glitter in the shade Desert Sunset. I knew I had those three things in mind, but I didn't know what I was going to do. But it all came together nicely, and I absolutely love it. So if you want to see how to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm going to be doing in this video. I just know that I kind of want to create a pink, red, Valentine's-esque type of video. So I already have my eyelids primed. I'm using this concealer that I always use in all of my tutorials. I don't know the brand or where it's from. I just received it in an Ipsy monthly subscription bag, and I have been loving it as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to be taking a mixture of the shade Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette with a mixture of Transition and Bestie from the Holy Grail palette, and kind of just mixing all those two together and blending that in the crease. Focusing these colors on the outer part of the eye as well as the crease, and just slowly building the intensity. Now this will probably be covered up, but just the different layers and shades and colors is really going to help give it that gradient blended effect. I'm going to wing it out. Okay, once you get it to an intensity that you like and you are happy with, let's move on. So to blend out the crease colors, I forgot to mention that I was using the e.l.f. crease brush. Next, I'm going to be taking the Morphe M332 brush and just trying to find a pink color. Let's try this BH Cosmetics pink shade here. And this is going to be kind of like our pink transition shade. Next, I'm going to be taking this reddish shade here on top of a Coastal Scents BRC S09 brush. I'm going to be mixing that a little bit with this reddish shade here in the BH Cosmetics Blush Palette. Just taking a mixture of the two. And applying that mainly towards the lash. Oh, that is pretty. Now you totally don't need to use this much type of shadows. Like I'm using it from a million different products and palettes. Like if you have this all inside of one palette already, like please do not feel the need to be this extra. But I literally had no idea what to use. And when all the products are just sitting in front of you, you just want to use it all. And then I have this pinky blushy shade that I actually want to try and use to kind of help deepen up the crease. Like I said, because we are doing a cut crease look, I definitely want to bring the shadow a lot closer into the inner part of the eye. And then going back in with the brown shade and just blending out any harsh lines. I actually think it was 2 or 3 years ago, I did a Valentine's makeup look collab with Jessica Valdez. But since that look, I don't think I really did a Valentine's Day-esque look. Like pinks, reds. And I guess this totally does not need to just be Valentine's Day. You can totally use this for whenever. What shade should I use? Maybe this one here. Saris Umber, as well as this shade here. Brownie Points and Teddy Bear. So mixture of the 3 shades. I know a bit much. But just pretty much just stamping it. Just kind of pressing it. That took a while. But once you get it to a place that you are happy with, we're gonna go in and cut the crease. So just going back in with that concealer that we used earlier. Picking it up some on the brush. And I just like to see where it's gonna stop. Like where my folds in. And once you get that all settled down, I'm going to be taking the Naked Cosmetics in the shade Desert Sunset. And it's just like a loose shadow or loose glitter pigment. It's like a rose gold. I think it is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to be going in with those dark red shades again. Just helping to blend this together. Deepen the outer V. And then using the red shade to kind of just help blend out that brown. Because we don't really want the brown there for the color, we want it more there for the depth. If that makes any sense. So once we place the brown there, we want to blend it out with the red shade. And because I'm so extra, I'm going to be taking, should I take No, not cranberry. I'm going to be taking On Fleek and How You Doing, mixing both of them together. And then I'm just going to be applying that on the outer part of the eye. Just packing that on, almost like a transition shimmer, so it's like an ombre. Okay, so I'm back. I have my face on, my foundation, my brows, everything. Let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. I'm taking some of the shade Nectar from the Holy Grail palette and just, it's an orange shade, and just kind of dusting that along the edges to kind of just bring a little bit more warmth to the look. It was looking a little too deep and too plummy, and I was going for more of a warm look. I really love deepening up like this inner part of the eye, like on the nose. I feel like it adds so much structure and definition. Love it. The e.l.f. line professional eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be taking that red shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and just really hugging the lash line. And just stopping halfway in. My eyes are trying to play me. It's getting watery. I need like a pinky shade. Ooh, she cute. She real cute. And then on this same flat brush here, I'm going to be taking that dark brown Cyrus Somber and really like just so slightly tapping the outer part of the lower lash line. Not by much, just giving it a little bit more depth. Now we're going to try and highlight the face, and then we'll do lashes. I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Glow Kit in Gleam and my Luxie 560 medium fan brush. And I think I'm going to mix I'm going to mix Starburst and Hard Candy first. So we're first going to mix those two and pop that here. Right? Just a subtle glow, pink glow. Just sticking with our theme. And then I'm going to be taking Crushed Pearl on just the high points of the cheek. Ooh, she blonding. I'm going to be taking Crushed Pearl and just, oh, I need a mirror. Applying that on the inner tear duct of the eye. I feel like a look is not complete without an inner corner highlight. And because I'm extra, I'm going to just pop a bit under the brow. Okay, now to set the face, I'm just going to be taking the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And really hydrate the skin. Because we were looking a bit dry. Okay, so I quickly did my lips. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Exposed Lip Liner, liquid lipstick, and then the Kylie Cosmetics Literally Lip Gloss. Now at first I was going to do more of a berry pinky kind of look, but I kind of wanted it nude so I can just focus on the eyes. So I'm going to go in and do my lashes now. And actually, before I put lashes and mascara, I want to quickly run the Smashbox Always Gel Eyeliner in Fishnet on my waterline. And then again, just taking the Radiant Lashes. These are used, so don't mind them. And the House of Lashes glue. I didn't really clean these lashes. I still see old glue on here. So let's hope they stick to my eyelids. And then I'm going to be taking the number 7 Stay Perfect mascara and just applying some on my lower lash line. This has a really skinny mascara wand, so you can get really tight. And then applying mascara over it all to kind of just blend everything together. Look how much of a difference lashes make. Like, it's crazy. Okay. And that's pretty much it. That's gonna complete this look that has the lashes on, the face done, mascara, and everything. I'm totally loving it. It's definitely a full coverage, beat to capacity look, and I love it. I love it so much. I think it turned out real cute. You're gonna be looking real cute on your Valentine's Day date. Boo. Oh, so cute. But yeah, if you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Click subscribe before you leave. Leave any comment suggestions of videos that you want to see. And I'll see you folks in my next video. Bye.